Don, I heard you just got a customer.
Yeah.
Can you tell us more about that?
Basically,
I heard it was like £1,000 or something, you know? Like, I don't know, can you refresh me?
I spoke to Champagne Charlie's, a corner shop, and what I tried to tell them was...
Oh yeah, that corporation, right? The big corporation. Worldwide, global, right?
yeah. Basically, is to sell them some advertising space on our website. And
nice.
in exchange, they'll give us about £10 a month for the advertising.
Oh! High five, man. Yeah! Okay, you got some words, man? This is where the magic happens.
Yeah.
Just look at that, man.
We've launched the site at the moment, so I'll put it on my Facebook. So
nice compare.
Managed to get the domain and everything.
Yeah, we have to. Coming soon, right? Coming soon as in ASAP.
ASAP.
Yeah, okay. Okay, we'll stay tuned for more updates. Thank you very much, Don. Glad, thank you very much.
Hey,
Easy.
Yo, bro.
Woo.
Can I just borrow camera for...